Hello everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curls by the Dozen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a twist out tutorial using brand new products from Texture ID. Initially I went to Target to find some new products to make a tutorial for you all, but I didn't see anything I liked and I was pretty bummed about it, so I decided to go to Sally's. So when I went into Sally's, I see these new products from Texture ID, and I've never tried this brand before, so I was excited, and they didn't even have a price on them. So I ended up talking to the manager, and he was saying that these products were requested and he just got them in, and now they're all gone because I took the last of them. I am super excited to let you all in on these new products. This is my first time trying this brand and my first time trying this line, of course. So this is brand new and it's called Coils. So this is for type 4 hair. I personally have 3C, 4A with a bit of 3B in my hair, and I love products that are targeted for type 4 hair because I know that they're gonna always get the job done. And my hair is very thick, and most of my natural growth with type 4 have very thick hair as well. So I like a product that's gonna deeply penetrate my hair and leave it moisturized, defined, and good to go for several days. So I use the detangling shampoo, and I also use the detangling conditioner. These products have sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract. I almost forgot to mention I use the self-heating coil conditioning mask, and I left it on for about 15 minutes while I was in the shower, and my hair is super soft, as you can see. Looks pretty luscious and fluffy and all those things. I think my hair is getting pretty long, so I'm excited to do a length check one of these days, but that's beside the point. This was really good. My hair feels really nice, and I feel like the product definitely did penetrate my hair. This is supposed to revive dry, damaged, and lifeless coils with this rich and creamy self-heating formula. This unique deep treatment is infused with coconut and sweet almond oils to restore softness and shine. So we'll see how it does. So far, so good. I'm loving it. So let's continue. So right now, I twisted both sides of my hair, or at least I tried to, and I'm going to apply the Daily Moisturizing Cream. And it is supposed to give your hair the moisture it needs. This leave-in cream offers intense hydration and is light enough to be used daily without buildup. Great for refreshing wash and goes and twist out styles. So we'll see how it goes. Put some in my hand. Let's see. It feels, ooh, it's nice and thick. Okay, I feel like I have a lot. I definitely have a lot on my hands, so we're not even gonna use the 4 sections I made. Let's see. I think it's very moisturizing. Usually I apply more water to my hair, but since I'm gonna do a twist out, I don't wanna have my hair too wet at this point. But the product's very thick, and it seems to be moisturizing. I used a lot. There's a lot on my hands, so hopefully it'll keep the hair moisturized as I go through and style. I'm making sure all of my hair gets some love. See, I still can't believe my hair is this long, to be honest with you. To be completely honest, I'm shook. I think the hair feels pretty good, looks pretty good at this point. And now we're gonna go on to doing our twist. Okay, so now I'm back. I sectioned off my hair into... Okay, so now I'm back. I parted my hair and sectioned it off into how many twists I want. I think there is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 twists I'll have on my head. And I have my twist butter here. It is supposed to provide crunch-free, flake-free hold that lasts for days and give thirsty coils what they need with this unique hydrating butter gel formula. It is blended with jojoba and olive oils to hydrate your styles while defining and elongating twist outs and coils. So let's get right into it. Now I have my first section of hair. I applied a little bit of water and I'll apply a little bit more. I wanted to avoid applying water to my hair if I could, just because I'd love for my hair to dry. I know majority of my styles I like my hair soaking wet. However, for this twist out, I'm just trying to see what works. So I have some of the product. I'm going to smooth that in. Let me get a little bit more. Ooh. Okay, and I also have my Denman brush. As always, it doesn't look like a gel. Butter gel formula, it looks like a butter. Does not look like a gel. But I am getting that feel of a gel. But also very moisturizing. I'm not really a twist out girl, however, I wanted to try something new and I'm hoping to get really, really great results with this product. I'm going to take some more of the butter. A little actually goes a long way. I know I'm heavy-handed, so try not to use me as a reference for how much product you'd like to use. Actually, I like to leave some at the end and just brush it, and so it comes out looking a bit more natural. So a little curl at the end. Okay, hello, I am back again, and now I will be showing you all how I flat twist my hair. So I have 4 flat twists in the front, 2 on each side, and I start by taking a section of hair and then dividing that into 2, putting one over the other, and then adding hair little by little as I twist. the more dry my hair is, the better it feels. However, since my hair is wet, it's slippery, which makes it slightly more difficult for me to hold my hair into place. See, and we get to the bottom. Take out that tangle and continue to twist. Okay, so this is what we have here. I'll probably go back and add some edge control a little later. I also did it on this side. However, I think I'm better at doing it on this side of my hair, so this one obviously looks a little better. I'll go back and tweak this one, but let's go on to my next twist, black twist, and it's my last one, yay! Here we have the hair again, and we start by doing the same thing. Taking the top section, dividing that in half, putting one under the other, and then just proceeding to twist. Okay, so this is what I have here. Now I'm going to touch up the ones in the back of my hair because I want them to be as perfect as possible. And I'm seeing a little bit of frizz, so I'm going to fix those up and then I'll come back after my hair dries. Hello everyone, I am back and my hair is fully dry. So now let's get into untwisting my twists, and I'll be using a little bit of oil as I unravel them. Okay, so I'm back. I untwisted all of my twists and these are my final results using the Texture ID Coils line. I have to say my hair feels really soft, very defined, and I'm really loving these results. I was surprised it worked so well because it was supposed to be a twist butter that I used to style my hair. However, it almost felt like a custard. It wasn't the typical twisting butter that I'm used to, and it gave my hair great hold and really great definition as well. My hair feels good, and I would definitely recommend for my girls who love to do twist outs. I would say my favorite product from the collection was the detangling conditioner. I didn't even feel like I needed to deep condition after I used this because it worked so well and my hair instantly felt moisturized and it just soaked into my strands immediately, which I really love. I also really love the deep conditioning mask, even though I didn't feel like I needed it after using the detangling conditioner. Amazing. I would highly recommend these two products. The shampoo was great as well. It didn't feel like it stripped my hair at all. I didn't try to detangle with it, however, but it worked really well, and it has a really nice consistency. It feels silky almost, and I really like that about it. The daily moisturizing cream was also really great. It's very thick, and it was able to coat my strands and then penetrate after working through a bit. And I really liked it. I feel like my hair has been moisturized since I initially styled my hair, and I didn't need to put anything on it since. I would highly recommend the whole collection for my girls with type 4 hair, or those of you who really just want products that are going to deeply penetrate and moisturize your hair. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video. Bye.